Welcome the students in science class. Class 10, Unit 4, Heat. Topics: heat and temperature, thermometer and its structure, types of thermometer, specific heat capacity, heat equation, numerical. Heat. Heat is the form of energy which gives sensation of warmth. Heat is the total kinetic energy present in the body. It is denoted by capital H or capital Q. Its unit is joule. It is measured by calorimeter. Temperature. The degree of hotness or coldness of a body is called temperature. Temperature is the average kinetic energy present in the body. It is denoted by capital T. Its unit is degree Kelvin. It is measured by thermometer. Thermometer. The device used to measure the temperature of an object is called thermometer. Principle of thermometer. Liquid expands on heating. Structure. Bulb. The part of thermometer made with thin glass containing mercury is called bulb. Steam. The part of thermometer except bulb is called steam. Capillary tube. The fine tube found inside the stem of thermometer is called capillary tube. Thermometric liquid. The liquid which is used in thermometer is called thermometric liquid. Mercury is used as thermometric liquid because mercury has distinct silvery color. It is very sensitive to heat. It can measure from -39 degrees Celsius to 357 degrees Celsius. Alcohol is used as thermometric liquid because alcohol can be easily colored. It is very sensitive to heat. It can measure from -117 degrees Celsius to 78 degrees Celsius. Mountain climbers uses alcohol thermometer because it can measure up to -117 degrees Celsius. Types of thermometer and their uses. Clinical thermometer. The thermometer used by doctors to check the temperature of patient is called clinical thermometer. It measures temperature from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Constriction is used to check backflow of mercury level so that correct reading can be taken, could be taken. Laboratory thermometer. The thermometer used by students or researchers in laboratory is called laboratory thermometer. It measures temperature from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Maximum and minimum thermometer. The thermometer used by meteorologists to find the maximum and minimum temperature of a day is called maximum and minimum thermometer. Still index is used to read the maximum and minimum temperature of a day. Still index is reset using the magnet after reading. Digital thermometer. The thermometer with digital display is called digital thermometer. Electronic temperature sensor is used. Specific heat capacity. The amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 kg mass of substance by 1 degree Celsius temperature is called specific heat capacity. It is denoted by small s. Its unit is joule per kg degree Celsius. Specific heat capacity of water is 4200 joule per kg degree Celsius. Specific heat capacity of water is 4200 joule per kg degree Celsius means 1 kg mass of water need 4200 joule heat energy to raise its temperature by 1 degree Celsius. More specific heat capacity means absorbs more heat energy and slowly heats and slowly cools. Water is used to cool the engine of motor because water has high specific heat capacity and absorbs more heat. Heat equation. The heat lost or heat gain is equals to the product of mass of object, specific heat capacity, and change in temperature is called heat equation. Q equals to mSdT. Heat gain or heat lost is directly proportional to mass of object. Q is directly proportional to m, equation number 1. Heat gain or heat lost is directly proportional to change in temperature. Q is directly proportional to dt, equation number 2. Combining equation number 1 and equation number 2. Q is directly proportional to the product of m and dt. Therefore, Q equals to ms dt, where Q equals to heat gain or lost, m equals to mass of object, S equals to specific heat capacity, and dt equals to change in temperature. Numerical 1. What amount of heat is required to raise the temperature of 5 kg of water through 20 degrees Celsius? Solution. Mass of water m equals to 5 kg. Specific heat capacity S equals to 4200 joule per kg degree Celsius. Change in temperature dt equals to 20 degrees Celsius. Heat energy Q equals to what? We know Q equals to ms dt equals to 5 into 4200 into 20 equals to 4,20,000 joule equals to 4.2 into 10 to the power 5 joule. 2. How much heat energy is required to raise the temperature of 150 gram of iron ball from 15 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius? Specific heat capacity of iron is 480 joule per kg degree Celsius. Solution. Mass of iron ball m equals to 150 gram equals to 0.15 kilogram. Specific heat capacity S equals to 480 joule per kg degree Celsius. Change in temperature dt equals to 25 degrees Celsius minus 15 degrees Celsius equals to 10 degrees Celsius. Heat energy Q equals to what? We know Q equals to ms dt equals to 0.15 into 480 into 10 equals to 720 joule. 3. When 456 kilojoule of heat is supplied to a copper ball of mass 2 kg at 30 degrees Celsius, its final temperature is found to be 600 degrees Celsius. Calculate its specific heat capacity. Solution. Mass of metal m equals to 2 kg. Specific heat capacity S equals to what? Change in temperature dt equals to 600 degrees Celsius minus 30 degrees Celsius equals to 570 degrees Celsius. Heat energy Q equals to 456 kilojoule equals to 4,56,000 joule. We know Q equals to ms dt or 4,56,000 equals to 2 into S into 570 or 4,56,000 equals to 1,140 S or 4,56,000 upon 1,140 equals to S or 400 equals to S. Therefore, S equals to 400 joule per kg degree Celsius. 4. When 2 kg of water is heated by an electric heater of 1 kilowatt for some time, it supplies 84 kilojoule of heat. If the specific heat capacity of water is 4200 joule per kg degree Celsius, calculate its change in temperature. Solution: mass of metal M equals to 2 kg. Specific heat capacity S equals to 4200 joule per kg degree Celsius. Change in temperature dt equals to what? Heat energy Q equals to 84 kilojoule equals to 84,000 joule. We know Q equals to ms dt, or 84,000 equals to 2 into 4200 into dt, or 84,000 equals to 8400 into dt, or 84,000 upon 8400 equals to dt, or Tn equals to dt. Therefore, dt equals to 10 degrees Celsius. 5. If an electric heater of 3 kilowatt used to heat 100 kg of water at 30 degrees Celsius and it supplies 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule heat energy, calculate the final temperature of water. Solution: mass of water M equals to 100 kg. Specific heat capacity S equals to 4200 joule per kg degree Celsius. Change in temperature dt equals to what? Heat energy Q equals to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. Initial temperature T1 equals to 30 degrees Celsius. Final temperature T2 equals to what? We know Q equals to ms dt, or 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 equals to 100 into 4200 into dt, or 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 equals to 4,20,000 into dt, or 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 equals upon 4,20,000 equals to dt. Or 8.57 equals to dt. Therefore, dt equals to 8.57 degrees Celsius. T2 equals to T1 plus dt equals to 30 degrees Celsius plus 8.57 degrees Celsius equals to 38.57 degrees Celsius. 6. 80 kilojoule of heat is supplied to an object of mass 4 kg at 30 degrees Celsius. If its specific heat capacity is 1000 joule per kg degree Celsius, what will be the final temperature? Solution: mass of object M equals to 4 kg. Specific heat capacity S equals to 1000 joule per kg degree Celsius. Change in temperature dt equals to what? Heat energy Q equals to 80 kilojoule equals to 80,000 joule. Initial temperature T1 equals to 30 degrees Celsius. Final temperature T2 equals to what? We know Q equals to ms dt, or 80,000 equals to 4 into 1000 into dt, or 80,000 equals to 4,000 into dt, or 80,000 upon 4,000 equals to dt, or 20 equals to dt. Therefore, dt equals to 20 degree Celsius. T2 equals to T1 plus dt equals to 30 degree Celsius plus 20 degree Celsius equals to 50 degree Celsius. 7. 10 kg of water at 90 degree Celsius is cooled by mixing 20 kg of water at 20 degree Celsius. What is the final temperature of the mixture? Solution. Let the final temperature be x degree Celsius. First condition. Mass of water m1 equals to 10 kg. Specific heat capacity S equals to 4200 joule per kg degree Celsius. Temperature of water T1 equals to 90 degree Celsius. Change in temperature dt equals to 90 minus x. We know heat lost Q equals to ms dt equals to 10 into 4200 into 90 minus x. Second condition. Mass of water m2 equals to 20 kg. Specific heat capacity S equals to 4200 joule per kg degree Celsius. Temperature of milk T1 equals to 20 degree Celsius. Change in temperature dt equals to x minus 20. Again, heat gain Q equals to ms dt equals to 20 into 4200 into x minus 20. Now, heat loss equals to heat gain, or 10 into 4200 into 90 minus x equals to 20 into 4200 into x minus 20, or 10 into 90 minus x equals to 20 into x minus 20, or 90 minus x equals to 2 x minus 20, or 90 minus x equals to 2x minus 40, or 90 plus 40 equals to 2x plus x, or 130 equals to 3x, or 130 upon 3 equals to x, or 43.33 equals to x. Therefore, x equals to 43.33 degree Celsius.